Okay, so in previous lecture we have seen linearly dependent and independent functions. Okay. So now today we are going to see new definition. Let me start new page. So you all are familiar with Wronskian of a matrix.
Yes. Yes.
Casoratian. So now this Wronskian plays the role while solving system of differential equations, right? When we are solving system of differential equation, we are using Wronskian. So the same role is played by Casoratian in terms of in case of linear system of linear difference equations. Okay, so first we will see what is definition and then we will see how it works. So the definition. The matrix of Casorati matrix or matrix of Casorati, or it is also called as matrix of Casorati. The matrix of Casorati is given by its notation is W of t, which is equal to the matrix U1t, U2t, Un t, then U1t plus 1, U2t plus 1, and last one is U1 Un t plus 1, and so on. What should be the last? U1 of t plus n minus 1, U2 of t plus n minus 1, and so on, Un t plus n minus. That is this matrix is called as matrix of Casorati, where U1, U2, Un are given functions. And its determinant of this Wt, capital Wt, or determinant of this matrix is called as Casoratian, like Wronskian. Okay, the determinant, or I will write here. Casoratian. The determinant of matrix of Casorati is called Casoratian. That and is denoted by small wt, which is nothing but determinant of capital Wt. Is that okay? Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Casorati matrix definition is just it is a square matrix, n by n matrix. What is the order of this matrix? If I am having n functions u1, u2, un, then this n by n matrix Wt, capital Wt, it is given and denoted by capital Wt, and it is the matrix like u1t, u2t, unt row wise, then u1t plus 1, u2t plus 1, unt plus 1, and last row is u1 t plus n minus 1, u2 t plus n minus 1, and un t plus n minus 1. This matrix is called as matrix of Casorati, and its determinant is denoted by small wt, and it is called as matrix, not matrix, it is just called as Casoratian, like Wronskian. Okay, it is similar to Wronskian in differential equations. So now we have to see, or first we will have some questions. Let example, find Casoratian for the functions u1t is equal to say 2 raised to t, u2t is 3 raised to t, and u3t is equal to 1. If I want to find its Casoratian, now I am having here three functions. I want to find its Casoratian. So for this, what is definition? By definition, what is Casoratian? Of u1t, u2t, and u3t is given by what? Small wt, and which is nothing but determinant of which matrix? u1t, u2t, u3t, then u1 t plus 1, u2 t plus 1, u3 t plus 1, and last is u1 t plus 2, u2 t plus 2, and u3 t plus 2. Is that okay?
Yes.
So if I take determinant of this matrix, what is this matrix then? 2 raised to t, u2 is 3 raised to t, this is 1, then u1 t plus 1. What is u1 t plus 1? 2 raised to t plus 1, 3 raised to t plus 1, this is 1 only, and this will be 2 raised to t plus 2, 3 raised to t plus 2, and this is just 1. So what is now? Can you find the determinant of this matrix now? Determinant of this matrix. What is determinant of this matrix? 2 raised to t into 3 raised to t plus 1 into 1 minus 3 raised to t plus 2 minus 3 raised to t. What is determinant? 2 raised to t plus 1 minus 2 raised to t plus 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to t plus 1, 3 raised to t plus 2 minus 3 raised to t plus 1, 2 raised to t plus 2. Can you simplify now? Do the simplifications. From here 3 raised to t plus 1, I can take common. What will remain? Do the calculations. I will just directly write. If you simplify, you will get. You can check at home this one. You can. This will be 2 raised to t plus 1 into 3 raised to t. Is that okay? This is my Casoratian. Is that okay? This is just determinant of this one. Now note that Casoratian also satisfies the following equation. Wt is equal to determinant of u1t, u2t, and so on, unt. Now delta u1t, delta u2t, delta unt, and last one is delta raised to n minus 1 of t u1t, delta raised to n minus 1 u2t, and so on, delta n minus 1 unt. We can easily check this this definition. Okay, this Casoratian definition. This 1 and 2 are nothing but same. One and 2 are same. So small wt, this is nothing but my Casoratian. So Casoratian can be found by using this definition: determinant of u1t, u2t, unt, delta u1t, delta u2t, delta unt, and n minus 1th order difference of u1t, n minus 1th order difference of u2t, n minus 1th order difference of unt, and so on. Okay, so if we take determinant of this matrix, again we will get the same value, that is nothing but Casoratian. Is that okay? So instead of using this definition, one can use this definition also. Okay. For example, what will be here then? It will be determinant of u1t. I can write over here, or determinant of u1t, u2t, u3t, delta u1t, delta u2t, delta u3t, and delta square u1t, delta square u2t, delta square u3t. Okay, so what will be this then? Determinant of, what is u1t? u1t is 2 raised to t, 3 raised to t, and 1. What is delta of 2 raised to t? Two raised to t plus 1 minus 2 raised to t. So what is delta? What is delta 2 raised to t?
2 minus 1 into 2 raised to t.
2 minus 1 into 2 raised to t. So 2 into 2 raised to t.
Only 2 raised to t.
2 raised to t. 2 raised to 3. What is delta U2T? You can find directly. It is 3 raised to t plus 1 minus 3 raised to t. So 3 raised to t is common. 3 minus 1, 2 into, right? And what is delta of 1? It is
0.
Yeah. So what is now delta square of U1T? Delta square of U1T means delta of 2 raised to t. Delta of 2 raised to t is again 2 raised to
2
t.
raised to t
Right?
plus
2
1.
raised to t.
For this, 2 into 3 raised to t. Instead of this, I will write 2 into
4 into 3 raised to t.
4 ka sir? 3 minus 1 na?
हाँ 4 into 3 raised to t.
3 raised to t plus 1 minus 3 raised to t. 3 raised to t is common. What is 3 minus 1 na?
4 times.
4 ka sir? 3 minus 1 na? 3 minus 1
बरोबर
is
मॅडम.
2 na? 2 into 3 raised to t. Right?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. So better you find first delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 and then you can substitute over here. Okay. I'm just writing. Now what will be here then?
4 times 3 raised to t.
Yeah, here it will be 4 times. 4 times 3 raised to t. And again delta of 0 is 0.
0.
So this will give you answer faster than this definition. Okay, because 1 times this into, okay. So what will be the answer here? 2 raised to t into 3 raised to
0.
times 3 raised to 3 raised to t into 2 raised to t. If you simplify, you will get the this answer only. 2 raised to t plus 1 will be common. 3 raised to t. Is that okay? Can you see this? Two into 3 raised to t, 2 raised to t. This I can write as 2 raised 2 times 2 raised to t plus 1 into 3 raised to t minus 3 raised to t 2 raised to t plus 1. So 2 raised to t plus 1 into 3 is common and 2 minus 1. So what I am doing here, 2 raised to t plus 1 into 3 raised to t. Okay. If you simplify this also, you will get the same answer. Okay. But if you use either you use this definition or this definition, it doesn't matter. You will get the same answer. But if you use delta definition, then it will be for simplifying, it will be better. Is that okay?
Yes ma'am.
And you can check these two
Yes
definitions
ma'am.
nothing but same. If you simplify this delta u1t, what is delta u1t? It is u1t plus 1 minus ut. u2t is delta u2t is u2t plus 1 minus u2t and so on. And if you simplify its determinant, you can see these two are same only. Okay, so we have written another definition of Cassoradian. Now we'll go to the theorem. Let u1t, u2t, unt be solutions of equation 3.4 dash. What is my 3.4 dash? U at t plus 1 is equal to a times ut, right? Is that my 3.4 dash? Where we have written, sorry, not first order.
Y of t is equal to z of t plus e of
Yes.
t.
No, not that one. 3.4
Pn
dash.
at t
Homogeneous
plus 1.
nth order. Homogeneous nth order. Yes. My homogeneous nth order equation PNT
Into u at t plus 1
PNT U at t plus 1
plus and so on.
plus Tn minus 1 of t U at t plus n minus 1 and so on P0T
U at t is equal to 0.
T, which is equal to 0. That is my 3.4 dash homogeneous one. If I write here R of t, then it will be my 3.4. Okay. So in book it is written like in theorem it is written let u1t, u2t, unt be solutions of the equation 3.4 dash means this equation. For t is equal to a plus 1 and so on. Discrete values, t takes discrete values, then the following statements are equivalent. So there are three statements. A, the set u1t, u2t, unt. This set is linearly dependent for t is equal to a plus 1 and so on. Second statement, small wt is equal to 0 for some t and c wt small wt is equal to 0 for all t. Okay, what is the statement? So this is nth order difference equation, so obviously it will have n solutions, right? So let u1t, u2t, unt be solutions of the equations homogeneous nth order equation for t is equal to a plus 1 and so on. Then we want to prove the following statements are equivalent. Means we want to prove a implies b, b implies c, c implies a. But if you see these three statements carefully, two statements are obvious. Which implies which is obvious here? There are two statements in which one implies two is obvious. Which one are they? Can anybody tell me which statement, whether A implies C is obvious or B implies C is obvious or C implies B is obvious or B implies A is obvious? Which one is obvious, you think?
A implies B.
A implies B,
B.
is obvious. Read statements carefully. How you can say it is obvious?
A implies C.
A implies C is obvious. How you know WT is equal to 0 then for all T? Obvious means direct it follows. Either B implies C is obvious or C implies B is obvious. Wt is equal to 0. Casoratian is equal to 0 for some t. And
B.
Casoratian is equal to 0 for all t. Which is obvious? A implies B implies C or C implies B?
C implies B.
C implies B, because if Wt is equal to 0 for all t, means Wt is equal to 0 for some t also, na? It is
Yes.
obvious. So C implies B is obvious here. Okay. Here C implies B is obvious. Okay. So what we will prove? So we will prove A implies C and B implies A. Or we can write here, it is enough to prove. So it is enough to prove A implies C and B implies A. Is it right? C implies B is obvious. So B implies A if I prove, and A implies C if I prove, then all statements will be equivalent to each other. Is it?
Yes.
C implies B, B implies A, and A implies C. Means each statement implies each other, right? Cycle is complete, right?
Yes.
A implies C. So it is enough to prove A implies C and B implies A. So first we will prove A implies C. So case 1, A implies C. So suppose that, what is my A? The set U1, U2, UNT is linearly dependent, and we want to prove Wt is equal to 0 for all t. Okay. So the set, assume that the set U1t, U2t, UNT is linearly dependent for t is equal to A plus 1, and so on. So what is mean by this set is linearly dependent? There exist n constants, then there exist constants,
At least one of them is non-zero.
yeah, is non-zero, right? C2, C3, Cn, not all zero. Cn, not all zero. If they all are zero, then it will be linearly independent. Here we have given, we are assuming it is linearly dependent. So we will be having C1, C2, Cn, not all zero, such that they will satisfy equations. Which equation they will satisfy? C1 U1t plus C2 U2t C2 U2t plus and so on, Cn UNT is equal to 0. So linearly dependent for each t means C1 U1t plus C2 U2t plus Cn UNT is equal to 0, where all C1 C2 are not all 0, right? So if this is 0, then for all t means for this t is equal to A plus 1, A plus 2, so I can write U1 t plus 1 plus C2 U2 t plus 1 and so on. Cn Un t plus 1 is also 0, right? This is for all t, a plus 1 and so on. So if it is for this t, then for t plus 1, t plus 2, t plus 3 also we will have 0, where all not all are 0. Is that okay? So how many equations we will be having such that C1 U1 t plus n minus 1 plus C2 U2 t plus n minus 1 and so on. Cn Un t plus n minus 1 will be also 0, right?
Yes.
For, and this is for t is equal to a plus 1 and so on. So now this is this system. This system is nothing but homogeneous equations, system of n homogeneous equations in n unknowns, system of n homogeneous equations in n unknowns, right?
Yes.
This is system of n homogeneous equations in n unknowns. And what is its solution? It has non-trivial solution, right? It has non-trivial solution. So this system of n homogeneous equations in n unknowns has non-trivial solution. Has non-trivial solution. When this is possible? System of n homogeneous equation in n unknowns has non-trivial solution. What this implies? What can I say about determinant of coefficients?
Is 0.
Determinant of coefficients must be 0. If it is non-zero, then it will have 0 solution, right? Unique solution and 0 solution then. If determinant is non-zero, so determinant must be 0. So this implies, shall I write here? This implies determinant of coefficients must be 0. Must be 0. So what is the determinant here? Determinant of coefficients will be u1t, u2t, unt. u1t plus 1, u2t plus 1, unt plus 1 and so on, right? What is the determinant? This implies determinant of coefficients. What is determinant of coefficients? u1t, u2t, unt, u1t plus 1, u2 t plus 1 and so on, un t plus 1. What is the last one? u1 t plus n minus 1, u2 t plus n minus 1 and so on, un t plus n minus 1. This must be equal to 0. And what is this? A plus 1 and so on. So this is nothing but what? It is nothing but not Wronskian, Casoratian, which is nothing but Casoratian WT. plus 1 and so on. That is Wt is equal to 0 for all t. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We have assumed it is linearly dependent. Since that system is linearly dependent, it will have non-trivial solution. And since this system of n homogeneous equations has non-trivial solution, means its determinant of coefficients must be 0. And that determinant of coefficients, if we take, that is nothing but my Casoratian Wt. So Wt must be 0 for all t. So this proves our A implies C. Now we want to, what is remaining to prove? Now it is remaining to prove B implies A. Now we prove B implies A. So what is B? Suppose that Wt is equal to 0 for some t. Suppose that Wt is equal to 0 for some t. That is, say Wt0 is equal to 0 for some t0. Okay. Then what we want to prove now? We want to prove A. A is what? We want to prove the set is linearly dependent. Okay. We want to prove this set is linearly dependent. Now Wt0 is equal to 0. Wt0 is equal to 0. So what can I say? What is Wt0? Wt0 will be, this is my Wt. What will be Wt0 then? Just you replace t by t0 here, right? I can just copy paste. U1 T0, U2 T0, UN T0, T0 plus 1, T0 plus 1, T0 plus 1, T0 plus n minus 1, T0 plus n minus 1, T0 plus n minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Wt0 is equal to 0 means determinant of this is equal to 0. So what can I say? If this determinant is 0, then there exist constants C1, C2, Cn. How they are? Not all 0, such that they satisfy n homogeneous equations. Which n homogeneous equations they will satisfy? Again the same, this. Only for t is equal to t0 then. T. Okay, so if this determinant is 0, then there exist constants, n constants C1, C2, Cn, not all 0, such that it satisfies the equations C1 U1 T at T0, C2 U2 at T0, Cn Un at T0 is equal to 0. Just T I have to replace by T0 here. T0 and T0. Is that okay? So what can I say? Now I am having system of n homogeneous equations, right? N homogeneous equations, which is equal to which satisfies these equations. Okay. So what can I say? So from theorem 2.2, 3.2, we know that system of homogeneous equations has unique solution, right? What is my theorem 3.2?
There is exactly one solution for homogeneous equation.
Yeah, where it is? Yeah, this is my theorem 3.2. Assume that P0t, Pnt and Rt satisfies these equations. Then for any T0 in this and any number y0, yn minus 1, there is exactly one yt that satisfies the equation. Okay, so for non-homogeneous it is true. So for homogeneous also it is true. If I just substitute Rt is equal to 0 over here, right? Then also this theorem is true. So it will have exactly one solution. So from theorem 3.2, I can say that ut is equal to, from theorem 3.2, we get ut must be 0 for all t. For all t. If it satisfies for one t0, and that t0 will, is nothing but from a plus 1, a plus 2 and so on. So from theorem 3.2 we can say that ut must be 0 for all t. Is that okay? So this implies
हॅलो. हॅलो.
हा बोल ग.
हा अगं कोणीतरी मॅमला कॉल करा ना.
मेसेज टाकला ग्रुपवर मॅडमने.
काय टाकला का? मी पाहिलंच नाही अजून.
टाकला.
उद्या आहे आता लेक्चर डायरेक्ट.
हा ठीक आहे मग आता काय मी हे करून टाका.